everyone and welcome back to Betty and Bertie. Today I'm really excited to introduce you to our newest innovation, the Axis folding mobility scooter. This compact yet powerful scooter is designed to make your life easier, whether you're navigating through city streets or enjoying a day out at the park or simply moving around your home. But before we get into it, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Betty and Bertie family for more exciting updates. First up, let's talk about one of the most innovative features of the Axis, its four-wheel steering system. Unlike traditional scooters, the Axis offers superior manoeuvrability and stability, especially in tight spaces. Whether you're weaving through crowded areas or making a sharp turn, you'll feel in complete control. The four-wheel steering on the Axis is a real game changer for several reasons. Firstly, tight turns. Traditionally, mobility scooters often have a larger turning radius. However, with the Axis's four-wheel steering, it makes it easy to navigate through tight spaces like crowded pavements, narrow hallways, or busy shopping aisles. Secondly, it offers improved stability. With four-wheel steering, all four wheels contribute to steering and distributing the power more evenly across the scooter. This balanced control reduces the chance of tipping and enhances the overall stability, especially when making sharp turns or travelling on uneven terrain. Lastly, it offers versatility across all terrains. Whether you're indoors on smooth floors or outdoors on rougher surfaces like gravels or grass, the four-wheel steering adapts to different terrains, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride no matter where you go. Now let's talk about portability. The Axis is incredibly lightweight, weighing at just 23 kilograms without the batteries, making it easy to lift and transport. And when it's time to store it away, the Axis folds down to a compact size, perfect for fitting in the boot of your car or a small cupboard in your home. But don't let its size fool you. The Axis is packed with features that ensure a safe and comfortable ride. The electromagnetic brake system guarantees a smooth ride and reliable stopping, while the anti-tip wheels provide extra stability on various surfaces. And with a maximum weight capacity of 120 kilograms or 18 stone, the Axis is as strong as it is sleek. Comfort is key with the Axis. The scooter comes with ergonomic seating, featuring a padded seat and an adjustable backrest to support you on longer journeys. The adjustable handlebar height means you can find your perfect riding position, reducing strain on your arms and your shoulders. And let's not forget the LED lights at the front and rear, which are essential for visibility and safety, particularly in low light conditions. The Axis is also incredibly versatile thanks to its dual battery system. It includes two removable lithium batteries, providing a range of up to 20 kilometers or 12.4 miles on a single charge. This means you can enjoy your day without worrying about it running out of power. And the best part, the batteries are also removable and airline compatible, making the scooter perfect for travel enthusiasts. Charging is quick and easy too, taking just 6 to 8 hours for a full charge, and so you'll be ready in no time for your next adventure. So, to recap, the Axis folding mobility scooter combines manoeuvrability, comfort, convenience and safety in one compact package. With its four-wheel steering system, lightweight design and comprehensive safety features, the Axis is your perfect companion, whether you're exploring your local neighbourhood or heading out on a longer journey. Thank you for joining me on this in-depth look at the Axis folding mobility scooter. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more exciting updates from Betty and Bertie. And if you have any questions about the Axis or any other products, drop a comment below or visit our website for more information.